Change YouTube profile picture on phone. So tap on the YouTube like this, and now you can go to the view your profile, and from there you can tap on the view channel option here like this, and from there it will take you to the channel which you could see all the videos of your YouTube which you have been posted, or otherwise the playlist which you have been created here. And now let's say if you need to change profile picture, you need to tap on this pencil icon which is beside the manage videos. Just tap on that here like this, and now you could see this camera button which is over the profile picture. Just tap on like this here, and it will take you to your changing profile picture page like so. And there you can go to the Google Photos, or otherwise you can go to the device photos. You can access to the camera, or otherwise you can go to the gallery like this, and from there you can choose whatever the picture here, or otherwise you can tap on the albums like this, and from there you can go to any of the albums you can see. So I'm tapping on downloads here. I'm tapping on this picture right now, and you could see if I tap on save profile picture here like this, and now you could see that will pop up like profile picture has been updated. So let's wait for that. Now you see profile photo updated successfully. Now if you go back like this and you can reload it like this, you could see this profile photo has been changed. This is how change your profile picture on phone. Thank you.